So hey Lawn Care Nation, I'm back again with another video for you guys on the Exmark Commercial 30. This is the S series version. So we've done a walkthrough video, we've done a mowing tall grass video, we've done a mowing wet grass video, we've done a mulching video. One of the things that's left is putting on that side discharge kit and seeing how it works side discharging a lawn. Obviously this is an awesome benefit to have in a small push mower like this, the ability to side discharge for those times when grass is really tall and long and thick. So again, we'll do this in my own backyard because I don't side discharge customer properties other than the really large farm property that I do with the turf tracer, and we'll see how it goes. The lawn has only been 7 days since I did that mulching video, and it's grown really tall this week. We've had a ton of rain and a ton of warm temperatures, so the lawn has been doing really well. So we'll be putting the side discharging to the test. So on the Exmark Commercial 30, to do side discharging, you'll need that side discharge grass deflector, and you also need the mulch plug that comes with it, so that you can plug the back of the deck so that you don't have grass going out there. So let's put that together. Okay, so like I mentioned, to do side discharging on the Commercial 30, you're going to need your mulch plug, and you're going to need that side discharge. Now, of course, this one looks brand new because I haven't done any side discharging with it. So let's get that on first. So on the Commercial 30, it's a little bit tricky. You need to pull up on this spring here to get it up over this little metal ridge here, and then you're going to pull out this side cover completely off. So there's the side discharging on the Exmark Commercial 30. You can see obviously it's going to leave clippings everywhere. Being side discharge. You've got clumps of grass everywhere, especially where it's thickest. Areas like here. Lots of clippings. I had to stop when I was coming in this direction, otherwise the clippings would have went all over the patio. So you have to be mindful of what direction that discharge chute is facing. But you can see all the clippings on there. Obviously not as clean as mulching or bagging, but if you've got a really overgrown lawn, then it's going to do the job because there's no resistance for the clippings being bagged or mulched under the deck. They're just flying out the side, and it's going to cut it down. But so you can see it just doesn't leave the cleanest look, which is why I don't use it on customer lawns. I'm doing the side discharge, and I prefer to bag everything. So there you have it, guys, the Exmark Commercial 30 S-Series side discharging. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. So leave a comment down below and let me know in what situations you could benefit from using a side discharge feature on a push mower like the Exmark Commercial 30 in your lawn care business. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.